Hello, I am Joseph Lee, and I'm here with a guest, my 6-year-old daughter, Hannah, and I am teaching you how to multiply, multiply by 5.
By ones.
Do you know why I am multiplying by 5, Hannah?
Multiply with ones.
Alright, do you know why I am teaching you how to multiply by 5?
Ones.
How many fingers are on your left hand? We have
One.
1, 2, 3. We have
One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers, right?
We have one finger.
Not 1 fingers, but we have 5 fingers, okay?
We have one fingers.
And I'm teaching you how to multiply by 5.
You are by my no.
5 fingers, right? Okay.
Let
Let me erase this whiteboard. Okay.
I want my one.
All right.
Nice size.
Let me zoom.
5.
Let me.
D to 100.
Okay. I am going to teach you how to multiply by.
Black.
All right. I'm going to draw 5 lines. 2, 3, 4. No, this is a little too close.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Last week we do this.
I know, but I'm doing this again. Okay.
How's Sarah?
Well, Sarah needs to do this too. Okay, Hannah. What is 5 times 1?
5.
5, right?
Yeah.
If we draw one line, okay.
5. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
And draw. The reason why it's 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
Yep.
That's why we have 5. So 5 times 1 is equals 5. And this line
looks like 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5.
Yeah, but we're doing multiplication of 5 right now. Okay? And here, I'm going to draw another line. Another line. 5 times 2. What is 5 times 2? What is 5 times 2? Alright, what is this?
1.
No, this is 1,
Ah!
2, 3, 4, 5, and what is this? 6, right?
10?
Yes, obviously this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're absolutely correct, sweetheart.
Yeah.
You're absolutely
Now
correct.
I want to.
No. I have to draw because this is 10.
But why?
Because I'm teaching you. And right now we are in front of a YouTube audience who is watching us learn how to multiply by 5. And the reason why I pick 5 is how many fingers are on our hand?
5?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. We have 5 fingers, and that's why I'm teaching you how to multiply.
Dad, come on, let's do this.
By 5. Okay. All right. Let's multiply 5 times 3. Okay.
That's easy.
What is it at the top of your head? You don't know? That's fine.
No, I will do that.
What is 5 times 3?
15.
15. That is excellent. That is correct. But let's check to be sure. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yay!
Yeah. All right. We have. So you got 5 times 3, right?
Yep.
All right. Let's calculate what is 5 times 4?
20.
20. Obviously, you got that right.
Yay!
Now let's check to be sure, okay?
Yeah.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yeah!
So this is 20, right? What is 5 times 5?
25.
25 is right.
Oh, let me get my paper and check this.
You know, 25 is right. This is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Oh.
That's excellent, sweetheart. And let's multiply 5 times 6. Okay? Let's multiply 5 times 6. What is 5 times 6 at the top of your head? Do you need to count from 25? We could do that. No, don't write it. Tell me what is 5 times 6? What is 5 times 6? All right, let's count.
Okay.
This is 25, and what is this?
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30, right? That's 30, right? 30, okay. And let's count. Let's count to 5 times 7. What is 5 times 7?
Okay, draw the line there. I'm gonna do it.
All right, let's draw a line here, okay? And let's draw a red. All right, that's 30. What is the next number? What is this? 30, and what's the next number?
35.
Good. We skipped ahead. That's okay. Let's check to be sure. This is 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Which is right? 35. Okay, let's do another line. All right. What is... Oh, hold on. What is 5 times 8?
40.
40, right? 40. That's excellent. Because you know this is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, right?
Yay!
This is 40. And what is 5 times 9? What is 5 times 9?
45.
45, right?
Yep.
That is also right.
Okay, I'll bring my tape.
Don't stay here. Okay, stay here. This is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. You got that right. 45. And what is 5 times 10?
50.
50, right? This is 50. This is 50. Here, I'm going to write, this is 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, what is 5 times 11?
55.
55. I don't think we need to draw the X anymore. What is 5 times 12? What is 5 times 12?
60.
60. Excellent. So this is 51, 52, 53, 54, 55.
Yay!
56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Yay!
So you got it right. So you got... So good job here, no? So you know how to multiply all of these numbers from 1 to 12 to the number 5. And if anybody needs a tutor from me, this is my contact information.
Guys, numbers.
You don't need to write this down, sweetheart. I think you,
No, I have to write it.
okay. Okay. Anyway.
I want to write it. I'm gonna.
Okay. Anyway, that concludes my presentation on the multiplication on 5.